Hello everybody, this is Josh with Master PC Builder. We're here in the studio working on another build for a client, figuring that this is probably a really good time to do another how-to video for you guys. And this one we're going to be doing the installation with the Western Digital M.2 1TB Black Edition. This is going to be installed on this gorgeous Asus ROG Strix board. This motherboard is the B550 and it's capable of running Wi-Fi 6, which is actually pretty neat. If you would like to see this in its entirety, check out our Instagram at masterpcbuilder. Now let's head into that overhead shot. Before we get started, make sure that you guys are working on a proper workbench. If you're working with an old PC, just make sure that you're taking the GPU out. It makes it a lot easier if you're going to use this top M.2 slot. Now for the installation, you're going to choose either or. I highly recommend choosing this top one. So we're going to go ahead and remove the screws right here. You're going to notice here on the back that there's going to be this heat spread that can be used to get some of that heat out of the M.2s because they run really hot. It's going to remove that to the side. Now, if you notice, there's these little standoffs right here. These three are empty because M.2s, they don't come in just one size. There's different sizing, but the majority of you guys are going to be using this one. But what's going to happen, it's going to be a really common mistake, is a lot of people are going to take their M.2s, they're going to plug it in, and then they're going to put it all the way down, not realizing that they're bending it. So to avoid that, we need to make sure that we are installing the correct standoffs. This case comes with 2 and 2. So let's go ahead and remove one of them. And we're going to go ahead and install it to this guy right here. That way, once we connect it, it will go down, but it won't bend. Now for the installation of this, you want to insert at an angle and applying a decent amount of pressure until you hear that click. And then all you have to do is go down, and you want to make sure that the copper is flush with the insert, and then just hold it. And then go ahead and grab one of these screws. And then you're going to go ahead and screw it in. It's as simple as that. One thing that I really can't stress enough, you want to make sure that this screw is not touching anything else besides that copper. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Now, if you really wanted to, you could install it on the bottom one. It just really depends on the motherboard. My best recommendation is stick with the top and use the heatsink. If you use the heatsink, you'll be fine. Now we're going to go ahead and remove this guy and install it to that. That's going to wrap it up for the installation on the Western Digital Black M.2 solid state drive that went into this gorgeous PC to the left of me right here. If you guys had any questions or concerns or anything that went wrong on your end, let us know in the comment section below. Also, let us know of anything that you would like to see from this channel moving forward. That's going to wrap it up for this one, guys. We'll see you in the next one.